What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And today I got a bit of news. One of the things, man, at my home/office, I found out some stuff that I'm not really happy about. But today I want to talk to you about respecting the process. We got to respect the process. A lot of times we thinking that starting a business is easy, you're gonna make more money. In the long run, at the beginning, the process is very, very slow. But if you respect the process, you can make some money in what you're doing. And the reason why I say respect the process is because most of us get into something and we stop and then we say, I ain't gonna make no money. I'm telling you, you can make money in this, but you gotta respect this, what we do. This is a skill. This is not you going out cutting grass and people gonna just pay you a lot of money because you just cutting grass. This is a skill no different from an electrician, a plumber, or someone putting on a roof on a house. You gotta look at it like that, and you gotta learn your business so you'll know your numbers. So let me tell you, I wind up buying a house, right? And my house that I bought, for my business and everything is so, I can put all my equipment here and everything. Now, the truth be told, I didn't know certain things. Like, number one, you got to have a permit to put a sign out in front of your house. Because if you're not zoned for a commercial, they can ding you for it. Now, nice people at Rockdale County didn't ding me yet, but they told me I got to take my sign down. And on top of that, I got a doggone power plant that's being built next door to me. If you know anything about power plants, basically this is where the wattage from your house go into, and then they turn the wattage down so it can go into people's residential homes. I didn't know this was going to be built next door to my establishment that I bought. So there goes my equity in my home because of this going up, and you can see it because I'm going to show you. And I'm a little frustrated by it, but I still got to respect the process or how this thing's going to work out for me. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, my guys got somewhere to stay for right now. Some of them saying, hey man, I don't know if I'm feel comfortable living next door to a power plant. I get it. But at the end of the day, this is what I bought. This is where I'm gonna be for right now. And I gotta work this process through. Guys, don't think that this business in lawn care is easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And due to the fact that everyone is not doing it, there's an opportunity for you to make money if you respect the process. Don't think you're gonna go out and get a mower, a blower, and a weed eater, and then you're gonna make 10 grand a month. It's not gonna happen. But it can happen if you respect it. You know what I'm saying? And I respect the process. No telling what may come of this. May be some good out of it, because they cleared out all those trees. And all you can see is that on the corner, which you're gonna be looking on the corner, and then you're gonna see me. And hopefully, even though my sign was taken down, that people know I'm here, because at the end of the day, I gotta keep cutting. Now, for my new guys getting into lawn care, respect the fact that you may have to take some one-time cuts. Now, I do understand the attitude of you saying I ain't picking up no one-time cuts. Y'all, let me tell you something. I'm trying to figure out how to make money off of one-time cuts. You ain't gotta take them, but I have so many calls, they are turned away. I can't even take them. And I'm talking about, I probably can go for a couple of days for how many calls I get for one-time cuts. And I'm really thinking about trying to put that part of my business. I just got to figure out the numbers and how it worked for me. Because 9 times out of 10, when you go there, it's going to be overgrown. It's going to be overgrown, and you know it. And when it is, don't cut it unless you get your price. And every time I went to cut somebody's house that was overgrown, they gave me the money. So in my mind, I'm just sharing this with y'all. In my mind, then I'm going to think on a way of charging people what is called a scheduling fee. Basically, they call, they want a one-time cut, and I say, hey, I do one-time cuts. However, my scheduling fee is $25. I might say $20. My scheduling fee is $20. Basically, they give me $20, give me 3 days to cut it. 3 days to cut it. If I show up and that mug is overgrown, I already got my 20. I tell them the price. They don't like it. I ain't waste my time. I ain't waste their time. They out the 20, but I can move on. So that's something that I'm sharing with you guys. That's something that I think I'm going to start doing, because I respect the process that everyone doesn't want you to do bi-weekly here in Georgia. Some people, man, if y'all up north and y'all getting once a week, man, that's lovely, because all I need was 70. I got over 150 clients. If they were doing once a week, man, what? I will be over here $500,000, no doubt. But it ain't the way it works in Georgia. I got to respect my area. I got to respect the process, and I got to put the work in. So, fam, hope you learned something from this. This ain't easy, but it's well worth it if you can keep cutting. So I encourage you guys, cut on, Lawn Care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.